Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins without eggs. First, gather your ingredients and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be surprised how easily you can achieve delicious, fluffy muffins without traditional eggs. We'll explore several simple alternatives that work wonders, ensuring your muffins are perfectly moist and hold together beautifully. Get ready to bake some amazing treats. Let's dive into some fantastic egg substitutes. Mashed banana is a great option, providing sweetness and moisture. Use 1/4 cup for each egg. Applesauce also works wonders, adding a subtle flavor and keeping your muffins moist. For a more neutral option, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water is excellent for binding. These simple swaps ensure your muffins are perfectly structured. Achieving perfect egg-free muffins requires a few key techniques. First, avoid overmixing your batter. Mix only until the dry and wet ingredients are just combined to keep them tender. Fill your muffin cups about 2/3 full to allow for a nice dome. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. These tips will help you get consistently great results. Sometimes, egg-free baking can present small challenges. If your muffins turn out a bit too dense, try slightly reducing the amount of egg substitute next time. Adding a small pinch of baking soda can also provide an extra lift, making them lighter and fluffier. Experimentation is key to finding your perfect recipe, and speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.